How many of you here have already used prompts when you order travels, hotels, or anything? It will not take a long time before it actually moves into when we are purchasing our stuff on the internet. What does it actually mean for us? The journey we already started with Out of Home and Pudos, seeing the increase with lockers everywhere, I think will continue, because this will also support that. Another thing which is quite interesting is bundling. I believe we will see more and smaller parcels. I think this is going to be the outcome. The thing that would win in the end is reliability. I think that will win more than being very fast in delivery. The winners will be those who can expose the capacity promises clearly at the agentic checkout. So this visibility of these features, performances and stuff will be much more important in the future.